Welcome to YS Online. I am Dai Sensei, and if you're a beginner looking to learn Japanese and pass the JLPT exam, the JFT, A2 exam, and all the others, this channel is for you. If you're a beginner looking to learn the Japanese language in Tagalog, this channel is also for you. Last lesson, napag-aralan natin ang conjugation ng tatlong verb groups from masu form to te form. If you'd like a refresher on classifying verbs, check out the links in the upper right-hand corner of your screen or in the description box below. This lesson, we will learn to make a request, invite, and give instructions to somebody to do something or to ask somebody to do something for us by discussing some of the common functions of the te form. Mainly the verb te kudasai, verb te imasu, and verb nde imasu. We will also look at these forms in the past, present, and future tense. Make sure to pay attention until the end as may activity akong papagawa sa inyo. So, ready na ba kayong matuto? Chanto kite kudasai! First, let's discuss the sentence pattern verb te kudasai, or please do verb. Kudasai is another form of saying please in Japanese. This pattern is used to request something or to invite someone to do something. Halimbawa, may mga classroom expressions tayo like please read, please write, please listen, and so on. So, paano yan sabihin in Japanese? So let's say we take yomimasu, to read, right? Sa pattern natin, mauuna ang verb na naka-te form, then susundan natin siya ng kudasai. So for yomimasu, let's conjugate that into the te form. Drop masu, then replace mi with nde. If you remember the conjugation of mi, bi, and the ni line, we have yonde, then we add kudasai. Para maging yonde kudasai. Let's try another example. So, please write. Gaya pa rin ng ginawa natin kanina, conjugate the verb in te form first. So, to write in Japanese is kakimasu. We again drop masu and replace ki with ite. So, we have kaite followed by kudasai. Kaite kudasai. Okay, so since masyado tayong nadalian, let's try a longer sentence, shall we? Halimbawa, please write your name. Pakisulat ang inyong pangalan. This time, may object na ang sentence natin. So when we have an object in our sentence, we use the particle wo and the pattern object wo, verb te kudasai. Susundan lang natin ang pattern na yan. So, name is namae. So we have namae wo kaite kudasai. Namae wo kaite kudasai. Just one thing to note here though. If you noticed, our request is pretty direct, diba? Please read, or please write, or please do this, please do that. Kung ano-ano, diba? Usually when the sentence is super direct, it's not the most polite way to speak in Japanese. So we use the expression sumimasen ga. So sa umpisa ng sentence, lalo na kapag magre-request ka sa superior or mas nakakataas ng position. Halimbawa, we want to say, excuse me, could you please tell me how to read this kanji? We say, sumimasen ga, kono kanji no yomikata o oshiete kudasai. Sumimasen ga, kono kanji no yomikata o oshiete kudasai. So parang sinabi mo na, excuse me po, paano po basahin ang kanji na ito? So dito, mas nagiging polite yung sentence natin. Alright, let's move on. Next, we have the patterns verb te imasu and verb nde imasu. Verb ing, or ongoing action. This pattern indicates that an action or motion is in progress, or kasulukuyang nangyayari. We can also change the tenses of this pattern based on when the statement happened. So past, present, and future. Let's take a look. First example, let's go with nomimasu. Nomimasu, to drink, diba? Drinking or umiinom would be nonde imasu. That's called our positive present progressive. If you want to say the opposite, that would be nonde imasen. That's our negative progressive. So not drinking or hindi umiinom. Now, if you want to say I was drinking, that would be nonde imashita. That is our past positive progressive. And lastly, if you want to say I was not drinking, that would be our negative past progressive. Nonde imasen deshita. Kung isusulat natin in table format, this is how it's going to look like. So, for the past present progressive, verb te imasu. Negative present progressive, verb te imasen. Past positive progressive, verb te imashita. Negative past progressive, verb te imasen deshita. So, is doing verb, is not doing verb, was doing verb, and was not doing verb. So that's nonde imasu, nonde imasen, nonde imashita, and nonde imasen deshita. So, gayahin nyo itong table sa notes ninyo at magsulat kayo ng 9 more common verbs in Japanese and conjugate them just like this para may guide kayo pagpunta ninyo sa Japan. Alright, one more example na pwede nyong idagdag sa table. Kohi o nomimasu. I will drink coffee. Kohi o nomimasu. This becomes kohi o nonde imasu. Kohi o nonde imasu. I am drinking coffee. Sa nakikita natin dito, kohi o nomimasu, ang action ay gagawin pa lang, whereas ang kohi o nonde imasu ay ginagawa na yung action. Alright, so moving on sa next topic naman. Ang halimbawa ng verb te imasu in English ay ang ating verbs na may ing sa dulo. So that's words like eating, playing, drinking, at iba pa. So napakadali lang nito. May dalawang sentence akong ipapakita sa inyo para makita natin kung ano ang kaibahan nila sa isa't isa. So we have keiki o tabemasu. I will eat cake. Then we have keiki o tabete imasu. I am eating cake. So nakikita natin dito sa one side, keiki o tabemasu, ang action ay gagawin pa lang. Whereas keiki o tabete imasu ay ginagawa na yung action. So kumakain na siya ng cake. Klaro ba sa atin ang pattern na ito? Okay. So this time, let's turn this into a question sentence. Paano natin gagawin ito into a question? Madali lang yan. We can turn this pattern into a question by adding ka at the end of the sentence. So the sentence would be verb teimasu ka. Are you doing verb? Ginagamit naman ito para tanungin kung kasulukuyan ba ang ginagawang action. So halimbawa, Kite imasu ka? Kite imasu ka? Are you listening? Or nakikinig ka ba? Ang pattern naman sasagot natin dito ay hai, verb teimasu for the affirmative answer, and iie, verb teimasen for a negative answer. We're going to use the same verb from the question in our answer. Pareho lang ang gamit natin sa verb. Okay? So that's hai kiite imasu. Hai kiite imasu. Yes. Yes, I'm listening. And いいえ、聞いていません。いいえ、聞いていません。For no, I'm not listening. So, pag tinanong kayo ng sensei ninyo kung nakikinig kayo sa lesson, alam niyo na kung paano isagot. Next sentence pattern na pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay ang verb mashoka. Verb mashoka. Shall I do verb? This expression is used when the speaker is offering to do something for the listener. So, kung may gusto tayong gawin para sa kausap natin, ito yung sentence pattern para doon. Una sa lahat, papalitan natin yung verb masu to mashoka. Simple lang. Halimbawa, ang verb natin ay tsukemasu. Tsukemasu. To turn on. Drop masu in tsukemasu, then papalitan natin ng mashoka. So, we have tsukemashoka. Shall I turn it on? Oy! Oy, turn on nga, hindi turn off, sabi ko. Okay, that's better. Alright, if we want to be more specific with what we're going to act on, we add the noun and the particle wo. So yung pattern natin ay magiging noun wo, verb mashoka. Noun wo, verb mashoka. Denki wo tsukemashouka. Shall I turn the light on? Hai, onegai shimasu. Yes, please. Another example. Halimbawa, umuulan ngayon and gusto natin pahiraman ng payong yung kaibigan natin. Yung verb natin dito ay to lend, right? So it's kashimasu. Kashimasu. Ang object na ipapahiram ay ang payong or kasa, right? Now, sundan lang natin ang pattern natin. So, mauuna ang object natin and as always, nasa huli ang verb. So, kasa o kashimashou ka. Kasa o kashimashou ka. Shall I lend you an umbrella? So, pahiramin kaya kita ng umbrella. Ganyan lang kadali. Alright, so now I have some exercises for you. How do you say these sentences in Japanese? Number 1. Shall I carry your bag? Number 2. Are you drinking coffee? Yes. Number 3. Please study. Number 4. Excuse me, could you please teach me Japanese? Let me know your answers below. And that's it for YS Online today. Thank you so much for watching as always. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who might be interested to learn more about the Japanese language. YS Online, my name is Dice. Ja. Mata ne. For those subscribed to our full online learning platform, be sure to check out the quizzes para maka-refresh kayo sa mga pinag-aralan natin dito today. If you'd like to know more about our in-depth and live programs, be sure to check us out at www.ysnlc.com. I'll see you guys next time.